So we are going to make a handle for this cup. So for that, just select the faces where you want to join the handle. After that, extrude it by pressing E, then delete that faces by pressing X. After that, go to edge mode and select the border of these edges by pressing Shift and Alt, then right click, then click on the bridge edge loops. After that, just increase the number of the cuts. Yeah, like this. So careful one thing, that this thing should be this one, blend surface. And what we can do, that is, if needed, we can adjust this shape like this from that smoothness. That's it. And after that, you can give the smooth on it and then you can enjoy. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.